Welcome everyone, it is XRP. Today is December 26, 1:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. XRP is currently trading at 0.9215 with a circulating supply of 47,535,964,473 XRP. Thank you for joining me. As I stated in the last video, this is a new channel. I started it to share the information with like-minded individuals. I myself hold XRP, and if I find this useful, then maybe there's others that will too. It only takes me a few extra steps to share with you guys. My goal is not necessarily to build a large following, but a small community in which I can communicate with. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe. Shout out to my first 3 subscribers. I really appreciate it. By the way, the reason for this voice changer is not necessarily to protect my identity, but to protect my privacy. I just don't want people to know what I do. But enough about me, enough about this channel. Let's talk a little bit more about XRP. Oh, wow. Cool. But the topic for today is on a project that received an XRPL grant. The project is called Ledger City. The brainchild behind it is DevNote Productions. CEO Mo Morsi describes Ledger City as an immersive 3D experience where buildings will correspond to accounts. The bigger the account, the larger the building, each of which can be customized by the account owner using an NFT collectible subsystem. Mo says the goal of the project is to introduce more people to the initiatives happening on the XRPL. From villas to towering skyscrapers, Ledger City will showcase the power and a nuance of normally technical subjects in a fun and interactive way. Look for the first release of Ledger City in early 2022. So this next one, this is directly from DevNote Productions, Ledger City in intro. This actually came out in December 21st. I touched upon it, but I just didn't have my channel then. But I decided to go back into it. I think it's useful information. Definitely something that it sounds interesting. I still haven't made up my thought on it yet. I'm waiting for more announcements to see exactly, what's going to happen with this. But, with this information, you can make up your own mind and, look further into it. But let's see. Early on, we began experimenting with the concept wherein the XRP distributed ledger was represented as a 3D city in which accounts were mapped to buildings whose sizes were proportional to the associated account balances. I got a couple comments on this, by the way. By holding crypto, you automatically own property in Ledger City. That's cool. Furthermore, just like non-digital assets, you can customize your virtual real estate in any manner you see fit. Choose the architecture and exterior design of your buildings from plethora of options. Pick the neighborhood that you want to live in with the best schools and amenities, and much more. It's really up to you as an individual XRP holder to tailor your virtual presence based on your unique story and personality. So this is pretty cool. This is a game, by the way. It hasn't stated it's a game, but it's a game that you're going to be able to play via desktop or an application on your phone. I think they're still working on the technical difficulties on the phone from some things that I read. But it's a game in which you'll if you have an account in the XRP ledger, then you'll have an automatic building, which is pretty cool. I'll probably get one myself and then invite you guys. That'd be pretty cool. I'll invite my first 3 subscribers. What better way to visualize distributed ledger technologies than with the fun and interactive gaming experience? So in mid-2020, we decided to resurface the project and started prototyping a more concrete, pardon the pun, user experience. The Ledger City prototype was born, and while not based on actual live blockchain data, it served as proof of concept in which a city was procedurally generated based on parametric data. The demo, built on the Unity game engine, has been open source and is available on the DevNote Productions GitHub account here, which I actually have open and I'll show you guys in a minute. So here are some of the buildings, right? It has the account, I'm assuming is the public key, and then the XRP amount. I'm not too sure what account or building this is associated with. Ledger City account. We're very excited of the great progress we made on Ledger City the last few months, and the initial beta release is scheduled for the first half of 2022. For Windows and macOS desktop platforms, with this release, you can look forward the following exciting features. So I apologize, it doesn't state anything about an application. Complete rendering on the XRP blockchain as a 3D city wherein each account is represented by a building whose size scales with the account balance. So this is a higher account balance compared to this one. Are these the same? No, they're not the same. But it's snowing over here. An immersive dynamic city full of vehicular and pedestrian traffic, day-night cycle, weather effects, and more. A collective system in which you can customize your virtual property as you see fit, accessorize your real estate with statues, gargoyles, flagpoles, billboards, fountains, radio towers, and much more. All right, man, that's pretty interesting now. You know, with this, I mean, are these customizable billboards? If so, you know, it might be a good thing, you know, for advertising. I mean, I'm already thinking of things I could put up in there. But continuing, let's see this one. This picture has a little bit more details. Flag, statue, billboard, tower. Has the amount here. Let me get a little closer to my screen, guys. Here, I can probably zoom in for you guys here. So XRP flag, 100 XRP. Collectible, is that their value or how much? Huh. You know, still a lot of questions to be asked in this, but I mean, everything looks cool. Maybe we should set this. Since collectibles assets are being implemented as NFTs, you can transfer customizations to any blockchain owner in a permissionless manner. Non-custodial account verification, verify ownership of your crypto accounts via a simple process right from your favorite wallet. No need to share access keys with us or anyone else. The introduction of Ledger City Coin, LCC, the in-game asset which will be used to purchase collectibles. That's cool. LCC can be withdrawn to your XRP wallet so you can gift it to friends, create offers to buy and sell on the XRP decentralized exchange, and much more. The official currency of Ledger City, LCC. An open source game client built on robust game and network technologies that will set the stage for many upcoming gameplay mechanics, missions, racing, storylines, and much more. To be the first to receive updates and early access, be sure to sign up for Ledger City mailing list at ledgercitygame.com and follow Ledger City Game on Twitter. So I'll provide this link in the description. I do have it open. Start new life in Ledger City. So this is the website. It is a countdown under construction. We're almost done here, but please check back in. If you go to the website, enter your email. I already entered my email, and then you'll be able to get notified when this goes live. So this is pretty cool. This is the GitHub website. I did not go through these files or download anything, but I'm just showing you this so you can see what's in here. Ledger City is a game based on the XRP blockchain where the accounts are rendered as buildings in a 3D city whose heights are proportional to the balances by the accounts. So this actually, I said I had a comment about this. What happens if, you know, say I'm a new XRP holder and, you know, I put in 100 XRP, just, you know, to start with. And, you know, I continue to put in money in there, you know, and how do I hide my assets? What if I don't want to continue to, you know, build on my building? What if I just want to, you know, stay humble and invite my first 3 subscribers and so we can, you know, just chill in there and see what, you know, what we can do in there. But, you know, that's just one concern I had is, you know, privacy. You know, I value privacy a lot, as you guys can tell by my voice changer. But yeah, I mean, you know, would you able just to, you know, be a park like this right here? which is open. But let's see. Let's continue with this. Pretty cool, these pictures. Collectible assets implemented as NFTs able to be purchased from DevNo Productions can be purchased by account owners and placed on their buildings to customize and personalize their appearance. So collectible assets implemented as NFTs able to be purchased from DevNo Productions. So you gotta purchase them from DevNo Productions. It's never been easier to really visualize the XRP ledger. This repo contains a prototype implementation of Ledger City with static content for demonstration purposes. This prototype is based on the Unity game. We saw that already. Once completed, the Ledger City will pull data from the live XRP blockchain and will be updated in real time as accounts are modified. Ledger City will facilitate many exciting and fun gameplay mechanics, including city building and exploration avatars, automobile racing and challenges, chat mechanics, community building interiors and customization, shared monuments for community initiatives, quests and storylines, and combat, guilds and teams. So this is pretty cool. Like I said, this link, if you want to get notified, this thing will be in the description. But that is it for today. The plan is to eventually drop this channel and ghost you guys. When XRP hits the moon, it's done. But until then, I will be providing you with the latest news as soon as I can. This one's a little bit late, but it's a little interesting. If you want to keep up to date, make sure you subscribe. This is XRP. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget, buy and hold XRP, the one coin to rule all coins.